study finds plastic debris and man-made fibers in fish sold in markets. Fish-eating trash found in our ocean. Scientists have long suspected plastic trash eaten by fish, crabs, bivalves, and other marine species may be spreading through the food web. Now, researchers from UC Davis and Hasanuddin University in Indonesia are reporting some of the first findings of plastic debris and textile fibers in the fish on consumers' dinner plates. About a quarter of fish sampled from markets in California and Indonesia contain man-made debris, according to research published in the Line journal Scientific Report. In Indonesia, they found plastic fragments. In California, a majority of contaminants consisted of fibers from textile. The variation in debris types probably reflect difference in local waste management strategy, according to the study. In Indonesia, the 30% of the soil waste generated by humans is discarded directly onto beaches and into rivers and drainage channels, the study said. In California, there are more than 200 wastewater treatment plants discharging billions of liters of treated effluent just offshore. The plastic debris and fibers were found only in fish guts. Therefore, humans are likely to ingest man-made debris only if fish is eaten whole. I still eat fish if it's sold in the United States, said Susan Williams, a professor with UC Davis Vodka Marine Laboratory and co-author of the study. That's because we fillet the fish and remove their guts, so the likelihood of eating plastic and fibers is very small. An estimated 245 million tons of plastic is produced annually around the world, according to industry estimates. That amount represents 70 pounds of plastic annually for each of the 7.1 human on the planet.
7.1
billion human on the planet, scientists say. The research raises the concern about possible effect on human health from a cocktail of hazardous chemical associated with plastic and some textiles. In California, researchers processed 64 unique fish across 12 different species. They found man-made fibrous material in 29% of jack melt, 30% of Pacific anchovies, and 33% of Pacific oysters. Researchers were unable to confirm whether the material was made from synthetic synthetic material or natural fibers such as cotton, fabric fibers collected that resemble researchers' laboratory coats or that were the same color of their clothing on the day of analysis. 对不起啊 were discarded discarded and 就是打错了 and not counted as man-made debris. 那是打错啦，或是那不是 and 的吗？